Today is the day! And today, we will interview 5 successful people around us and ask them about their lives,
Their definition of success,
and their discarded tips on how to become successful.
as they say, success does not happen overnight. It takes hard work, patience, and determination. So, arat na!
So today everyone, mangita ta og someone nga kanang feel niya nga na-achieve na niya ang success sa iyang life because of the absolute peace nga iyahang nabati karon. So let's go!
Hello!
Pwede mangutana?
Yes!
Kanang, naka-achieve na ba ka og success sa imong life?
Yes?
So, pwede di ka ma-interview.
Sure.
So, this is the first question, ma'am. So,
Mag-ano na ta? Okay lang?
okay na. Okay na, Juno. Wala na yung problema, ma'am. Okay na ba ang setting?
Okay lang.
So, mangutana lang
ko.
Okay, ma'am. So, ang akong pangutana, ma'am, is kanang, do you consider yourself successful?
Yes. I consider myself successful in my own way. Dili tungod ug unsay naa nako, but because nakakaton og paghatag og peace sa akong kaugalingon. In a world full of pressure and comparison, I choose to stay calm, kind, and grounded. Is already a success. So for me, successful ka.
Oh my God. So, ang success jud dili na jud ay makita sa mga butang, kundi sa imuha pong nabati nga gusto nimo nga ma-achieve sa imong life. So, for you, ma'am, what is success?
So for me, success is living a life with purpose, peace, and kindness. Kana bitong humata ka everyday nga na ay grateful heart, with good relationships, and kusog gihapon bisag daghang challenges sa kinabuhi. Oh, kanang for me manggod kay true success is kanang happy ka sa imong life bisag dili ka perfect.
Yes, dili jud siya makita sa mga butang lang ang success. So,
Ma'am,
pwede mo ni mo hatagan ang mga discarded tips on how you achieve the success you felt in your life today?
Okay, so my discarded tips is simple but powerful. First, kanang I choose peace over unnecessary problems. Kaya dili mo gud tanang away dapat patulan.
Yes.
Second is kanang stay positive even during hard times because challenges are part of growth. And third kanang I focus on my own journey nga dili gina-compare akong kaugalingon sa uban kay lahi man tag timeline. Also in being kind, kay how you treat people reflects who you are. So kanang kuan lang jud ka. I work quietly on my goals, trust the process, and stay patient. And thankful ko kung unsay naa anak ko. Kay kanang gratitude keeps me grounded. And at the end of the day, true success is not about dili about being ahead of others. Kundi becoming becoming better version of yourself every single day.
Wow, maka-inspire ka yung mga tubag mo. Thank you so much, Ma'am Ha, sa pagsugot ng interviewer. Na-inspire jud ka ayo ni. So, salamat ka ayo and arat na!
Hello again everyone! Again, welcome to our vlog. So another day, another discarded tips that we are going to hear from a successful person. This is Sir UB Balanog po, a successful choreographer and also a dancer. So sir, maayong udto. So here's my question for you. So, would you consider yourself successful?
Yes, I consider myself as a successful, not just because award of recognition. Para na ko success siya kay I can turn my passion into something meaningful. Para na ko success siya kay I was able to
Inspire others?
Yes, inspire others and through my dancing skills and teaching strategies as a choreographer.
So bali dili jud easy ang ang like dance lang lang. So
Yes.
adud kay daghan nga ma-learn pa.
Daghan jud siya gyud. As in daghan ka nga matudlo nga mga sa sayo pa siya vocabs sa mga actions, moves. Mo lang di siya lalim kay na siya yung mga step by step and kanang mga knowledge nga imong i-apply sa dance.
So sir, kanang what is success ba for you?
For me, success is not just for fame or money. So, for me, success as a choreographer or dancer na you can teach someone nga dili ka balo mo sayaw, especially sa katong mga beginners nga bago pa nga nakabalo sa mga culture sa mga sayaw. So for me, success for me nga dili lang siya nga even though nga walay anang dako nga profit makuha na nga sayaw. But then, for me, is ang improvement sa isa ka tao and apil na diha ang kanang trust and how to manage behavior sa isa ka dancer. So, dili kay siya as in nga dako siya nga makadawat kag kwarta, but then for me success siya nga makatabang sa usa ka tawo sa isa ka dancer nga mo build siya as a dancer nga na siya respeto sa not just sa sayaw but then makagain po siya respeto sa mga tao sa palibot. Ang daghan siya makuha like kanang friendship na diha success sa culture nga matabangan niya ang kanang sa mga tao po nga ako ma-share. So for me moto siya sa kuha nga success makahatag nako sa ubang tao nga gikan nako.
So sir, can you give us any discarded tips on how you achieve your success today?
Okay, yes, of course. Ang importante dyan nga diskarte sa imong life no kay consistency and hard work jud. Dili lang ka mag-rely sa imong talent but then you need to practice more gyud nga to improve, attend workshop, especially to improve your masculines or your muscles, and you should attend dance class and to
workshops.
and most important, practice more to yourself, because how you can teach others if you can teach yourself first. So you need to hard train and hard work. Most of all, you need to gain knowledge, no? So you need to have discarte on how you can deal yourself first before you share your talents and share your knowledge to other. So for me, ang best discarte yun kanang you need to have connections to your co-dancers kay sa man mo pag diskarte o wala po na sila, so you need to build friendship jud, so para na kay makagain kag kanang syempre practical, makagain pug kag kanang profit nila gikan sa imong pagtudlo. So nagi na permi jud. So syempre talent is not free, so you need to find strategies and most of all you need to improve your skills. So kato lang siya akong mapanon.
So thank you so much kanang naka-learn jud ni og samot na sa mga discarded tips nimo from kanang professional choreographer sir. So kanang again, thank you so much everyone for watching with us and bye.
Good day, ma'am. I just wanted to ask if you're available for a short interview for my school. It won't take long, maybe just a few minutes.
Yes, I'm available right now.
Okay, so can you please introduce yourself first, ma'am?
Okay, my name is Yan, 38 years old. I am a strong, independent woman, and now from Philippines, but now I am in Greece.
Okay, so here's my question. Would you consider yourself successful?
Yes. As a 38 independent woman, I consider myself as a successful, not because I have a lot of money. It doesn't, before kasi yan yung parang standard natin that we will consider the person as successful if they achieve a lot of businesses, money, luxury life like this. But now at my age, I realize a lot that money is not a measurement of your success. So I consider myself as successful in a way that now nasa stage na ako. I'm on my life era where I don't need to please anyone. The success is considering yourself to have a peaceful life. Yung bumabangon ka na hindi mo kailangan i-please ang ibang tao, na bumabangon ka kung ano ang alam mo, kung ano ang gusto mo sa sarili mo, yung hindi mo kailangan i-please ang ibang tao, but ang ipini-please mo na ngayon is yourself. You are pleasing yourself, not others. So nasa ganyan na akong era ngayon sa buhay ko na alam ko kung anong gusto ko, tsaka na hindi ko kailangan isipin kung nagustuhan ba ng mga tao kung ano yung mga ginagawa ko. Ngayon, ang iniisip ko kung ano ang makakapagpasaya sa sarili ko. Na hindi ako yung napapasaya ko ang sarili ko na hindi ako nananakit ng ibang tao. Yun. So, that is success for me. Dahil ang dami pa rin tao ngayon na bumabangon na hindi nila alam kung anong gusto nila, hindi peaceful ang life nila. It's because hindi nila alam kung paano i-manage ang emotions, hindi nila alam kung paano i-manage ang buhay, paano magiging peaceful.
Okay.
So yun.
Okay, that's very
Peacefulness
nice to hear.
and contentment. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. That's very nice to hear. Salamat kaayo sa pag-share sa imong thoughts. So, next, what is success for you, ma'am?
Success is you don't need to please others, but only pleasing yourself. Success is having a peaceful life.
Okay. So, next is, what are your discarded tips, ma'am, to become successful?
Discarded tips is that mind your own business, do your own thing. Like, if you have an ambitions in life, do it. Do for your dreams, like chase your dreams. Know your dreams. Know yourself. So, ang diskarte, don't stop dreaming. Example, na kay gusto nga ma-achieve sa life, like gusto ko mahimong engineer, gusto ko mahimong attorney, gusto ko mahimong lawyer, blah blah. Not all attorneys, not dili tanan himong doktor nga dato sila pag nabuhi sila nga dato, gipanganak sila nga dato, but because of their determination kana bitang wala sila ni give up ba sa kinabuhi. Though they kind of trials, but wala sila ni give up. Gikuan nila kana bitang ang success man good, ang discarte is na overcome mo ang difficulties in life. Nga nahimo ang uncomfortable, nahimo nimong comfortable. Example, kana bitong syempre lisod sa life. Kanang financially. So imuhang life is uncomfortable. Wala kay lisod imong life, wala kay kaon, wala kay mabayad sa mga sa school. Maglisod ka sa tanan ng mga activities, sa mga assignments, blah blah, projects. Okay. But then because you have this determination to finish the college, so poverty is not the hindrance. imong buhaton is mangita kag way para mahuman mo imong college, like kuan baka ka mag working student ka, magtrabaho ka night and nalagkag pa maagi para overcome nimo ang poverty. So do not give up, don't stop. And then, so, example, para nang gusto ko maka-try og life sa US, gusto ko maka-try og life sa Greece, gusto ko maka-try og life sa Europe. Then chase your dreams. Don't stop. Kana bitong dili ka mo stop sa imong mga pahandoy ba, like ay gusto ko mahimo kong nurse sa US, gusto ko maka-work do sa Greece, gusto ko maka-work okay, inani, gusto ka maka-try og life sa Greece. So, magpangitoon na yung mga opportunity. Dili ka mukuan nga, ay, kanira mong ko, dili ko kaadto dito, kaya wala ko pliti, ay, di ko kakuan ani, kaya wala ko kuan. Work. Trabahoan na nimo. Imagine lang trabahoon imong self, trabahoon nimo imong dreams, trabahoon nimo imong mga gusto sa kinabuhi. Like, manarbaho ka. Pag makatigom ka, na nakay pamiliti, okay, try. May ato dito, morning opportunity. So, mura dyan akong ikaingon, do not give up for your dreams. Do it.
Okay.
Not tomorrow, not the next day, but today. So it means kung imong trabaho unsa do karon na maligya pa ka og mga unsa-unsa supas-supas pa naman gibaligya. But kana imong pagpamaligya sa supas og naa kay purpose ana. Naa kay pangandoy para na imong pagpamaligya karon bisan og ginagmay. That is part of your success.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, that's it.
Thank you so much for those tips, ma'am. Makatabang gid kaayo na sa mua or sa mua puhon. And that's it. Daghan ding salamat for your time and for answering my questions. I really learned a lot from you. Have a great day, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, thank you too.
So hello again everyone. Now, we are going to interview our last interviewee for tonight's video. So, here, we are going to interview teacher Kristen Gay Agbon. So, she will give us discarded tips on how she achieved her successful life. So, hello ma'am, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
So, here's my question ma'am. So, would you consider yourself successful?
Yes, I consider myself successful. Dili man ko perfect nga teacher, but I see my students learning and improving every day. So para na ako, success na siya because I make different in their lives, and being a teacher is not easy yun. Pero fulfilling it siya when you see your students grow and achieve their dreams in life.
Oh, so kuan jud siya ma'am. So dili easy ang pag-teach, 'di ba? So all you have to do is to enjoy and kanang love nimo ang imuhang profession. Dayon ma'am, here's my other question. So what is success for you?
So success for me is when my students understand the lesson and become better individuals. So para na ako, dili lang about grades, but about values, confidence, and skills that they can use in real life. So as a teacher, success is seeing my students achieve their dreams and knowing that I became part of their journey.
So can you give us any discarded tips bitaw para pud ma-achieve po na mo ang unsa imong gi-achieve sa imong life karon?
Yes, of course. So, una, love your profession good. Teaching is not just a job, it is a calling. So, second, be patient and flexible. Kay dili tanan students parehas og learning style or learning strategy. Third, yourself. Attend trainings, learn new strategies, and stay updated. Another, discarding is building a good relationship with students, kanang approachable ka and supportive. And lastly, manage your time well and stay
Thank you so much, Mom. We learned a lot from you. So, sa mga diskarte, pwede po na mo ma-apply sa amua puhon. Huwag kami na po magplano og teach. So, thank you so much, Mom. Goodbye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
So, hello again, everyone. Another day, another vlog na sad. So, today we will be hearing discarded tips from a successful businesswoman from Pagadian City. So, hi, Miss Maria.
Hello, everyone.
So this is my question for you, Miss Maria. So would you consider yourself successful?
Yes, I considered myself successful. Dili man perfecto akong journey, but I built my business from nothing. Para nako, success na siya because I am financially stable and independent. I also created opportunity not just for myself, but for the other people.
So para nimo ma'am, what is success?
Success for me is financially freedom and growth. Para na ko importante nga you're earning enough kanang makakuan jud ka og kanang kwarta while doing something you love. As a businesswoman, success is when your business continue to grow and you learn from every failure na bisag
Yes.
kaayo oy.
Mo jud.
It's also about being strong. Then bisan daghan challenge makaya jud nimo nga kuan ang kuan basta nalan jud kay mindset about sa kuan business.
Yes, thank you so much, ma'am. So, can you give us discarded tips nga kanang on how you achieve your success?
Oh sure. Una is una gyud take rest but be wise way kuan
Yes.
ka mag najud kay kuan dili ka masenso kung mahadlo ka magsugod. Then ikaduha be consistent o disiplina. This
Yes.
is need time og effort yun. As in, kailangan jud kay time og kanang effort niya.
Yes.
Dayon ikatulo, learn how to manage money properly. Dili kay pakagasto ana. Kailangan kana nga kwarta na jud kay gipaglaanan.
Yes.
Kay dili pa na income naka-profit no.
Yes.
Another discarded to understand your customer. Kailangan
Yes.
jud kabalo jud ka mo sa imong customer. Maminaw sa ilang needs o mo improve your product to mo kon kanila mo service kanila. O lastly, never give up bisag kapila mapildi bangon gihapon, keep it going quick.
Oh,
Laban
Jud.
ay kay
Laban.
naay ko natay kanang dapat natay pangandoy sa kinabuhi mao nang medyo ta mo discarding dili ta magsalig sa tungkuan.
Yes. Thank you so
Mayroon po
much,
siya.
ma'am. Salamat kayo kay naka-learn jud mi og daghan sa kanang discarded tips ni basin di pohon ma-success pud mi. So salamat kaayo, ma'am.
Thank you.
Remember that success is not about being better than others.
It is about becoming better than who you were yesterday.
Thank you so much for watching our vlog. Have a great day. Bye.
Bye!